All right, guys, we got Kevin here who's going to do a personal box of 2015. Leaf Q. Good luck to you, sir. All right, start off with Big Hurt, pure Frank Thomas. Redemption. Cal Ripken Jr. Autograph card. Could possibly be one of those parallels as well. 1 of 1. I bet this actually sells really well. Hen Climo. Disc golf player. 1 of 1. You'd be surprised. I bet that gets stupid cash. Nice looking patch autograph. 2-color Bo Jackson. And we'll finish up with Roger Federer. That's appropriate since Wimbledon's going on now. All right, buddy. Pretty solid box. I appreciate it as always. I'll get right out to you.